Our trip is incomplete without visiting the airport lounge. Today we're going to visit MasterCard lounge near the G Gate 10. They said Egypt Air lounge is only for the business class passengers, so this is the only option. It's a very small lounge, no good food, no beverage. Let's take a look.
Chips take it ra. Oh, hotel காபி நல்லா இருக்காதுடா. பக்கத்து ஹோட்டல்ல குடிச்சிட்டு வந்து உட்கார்றா.
If you have priority pass and dragon pass, you can access this lounge, or if you have a MasterCard, you can simply access this lounge. There is a free access for any MasterCard holders. There is a one small buffet. There is no Wi-Fi, but you can use airport Wi-Fi. There is a fridge filled with soft drinks and sandwiches. It's a buffet. And then there is a coffee machine. That's it. This is the smallest lounge I have ever accessed. MasterCard did this. This lounge located in G Gate.
ஈவினிங் நான் டெல்லி போய் ஆகணும். ஃளைட் புக் பண்ணுங்க. சோ போன் எடுத்தா நச்சுங்கறானுங்க.
If you like this information, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button. Thank you.